everyone for coming. We're very happy to celebrate all our events with you all, especially Arrow's family. Praise the Lord and good evening. I'm going to introduce you all to my family, and it's a long list, so please be patient. So this is my dad. And this is my mom, Edna Vijay Jyoti Katumalla. He's a retired superintendent of Central Excise and Customs Department, and this is my brother, Kevin Ethan Edwards. And starting from my dad's family, we've got my dad's elder sister's son. His name is Barney David. His mom is going to come tonight. And the second sister's Hepsi Katumala's daughter is here. Her name is Bula. So yeah, this is the last sister of my dad, Hanatta and Swamina uncle. He is the retired manager of HPCL, and the daughter is here, Shiny. So they come all the way from US. They have to take like 7 flights just to come to this event. So so thanks to them. My dad's cousin, Hepsiba Lingam, and my husband, John Anand Kumar, who played the guitar for all of us. And our Nanama, Chandra Nanama is here. She is my dad's mom's sister. And also one of our cousins, Sony, and her husband with kids, they are here. Please come here, Sony. Sony and husband. Shekhar. So now, Sony is my cousin. Sony and her husband, Shekhar. They came here with their kids. We're just waiting for them. And Anand is Sony's sister. Sorry, brother. Yeah, we'll start with my mom's family. I would like to invite Edmund Tata and Rita Auntie. They are my mom's dad's own little brother and wife. They both stay in the UK, and they came here all the way from UK. Please come to the stage, Tata. So my mom's elder brother Nirmal Mama and his wife Salmata and Hemant, they're all here from US. So they came in a short notice, so thanks to them. Welcome to Anand's relatives as well. Yeah, we are still introducing our family. Yeah. So my mom's middle brother Niranjan Mama, he's not here, but he's attending all the events through the live. So thanks to them. And last brother Naveen Mama and Anitata, they've come here from Dubai. And Anitata's sister Sujitaka is also here. So my mom's dad's sister is here, Glory Nanama. She's also here. Yeah, she has got a back problem, so she'll be sitting here. But please give some claps to her. And my mom's late dad's another sister is here, Ivata. Ivata and her daughter, Supriyata, her husband and kids are here. I think they've attended it this morning. They're not here now, but and then Nityata and Susan Jailata Atta, they are both here. Please join us. Mary Auntie is also here. She's also one of my mom's cousin's wife. Lata, Pinni, Suresh, Babai are also my mom's cousins. And also Rajkumar Babai, special invitation for him because he's the one who organized all the stay, bus and food and everything. So please give claps to him.
Rajkumar, he is the one who arranged everything for this wedding. We thank you, Rajkumar and Vijay. Please come on to the stage.
Please come on to the stage, Babai.
Randy.
Yeah.
Randy. You are the whole and soul. Whole and this program. Welcome. God bless you. I take the photo this
Vijay Pinni, please come here.
Yeah.
He calls him oxygen. So the oxygen needs to be here. Oxygen. Rajkumar Baba is oxygen.
Every woman is an oxygen. You are the oxygen to the
Jingu Babai and Lata Pinni, Suresh Babai. Ranjan Mama, please come here. He's also one of the cousins of my mom. He came all the way from US. Ranjan Rapapu. Nalini auntie and Sweetie auntie, they're also mom's cousins. They have helped us as well. They've helped my mom very much.
రేపు చాలా మంది వస్తారు అమ్మా సుష్మిత
Thanks to also my mom's friends, prayer team, Kumari auntie and also Kumaramma from Bandar and Meghana, granddaughter, who also helping us so much. She's also one of the bridesmaids. She's not here right now, but
రేపు ఇంకా చాలా మంది వస్తారు అని చెప్పి
we're going to have more family for the wedding. Right now, these are the people we've got here. But virtually also, Suchitrata has been part of all the events, and Sumitrata and Chakravarti Mama. Riya is one of the bridesmaids. She's not feeling well, but they'll be here tomorrow. So we don't want to break the stage, so I think we will end here. But sorry if I missed anyone, and yeah, please eat all the food we've arranged and bless us. Thank you. Tomorrow everyone should be here, and hopefully we will all be on time. So tomorrow, if you all be ready by 2 p.m, a bus is arranged from the hotel to the venue, St. John's Church. So we can all start.
అందరు కూర్చుంటారు, అందరు వెనక నిలబడి. మా బిహార్ ఆజ్ఞలు ఆధార్ తక్కువ వాళ్ళకి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉందో మాకు చెప్పండి, మేము అన్ని చూసుకుంటాము. మా బంధువులు ఉన్నారు.
Hope Arnold's family is being treated well by us. Please let us know if you got any issues or any problems. We will try to solve them. Glory Nanama is also coming here, so let's wait for her.
ఎక్కడమ్మా ఇచ్చింది మీ మధ్యలో
Sundar Garu, Shilpa, Nishiyaka, everyone, thank you. Muller uncle, everyone, thank you for being part of this.
ఓకే రెడీ భయ్యా కొంచెం వెనక మేడం అనిపిస్తుంది బయట మేడం ఓకే రెడీ సార్ ఓకే సార్ ప్లీజ్ కెమెరా సార్ అనిపిస్తుంది కొంచెం రెడీ మేడం ప్లీజ్ కెమెరా యూ ఒక సెకండ్ ఎస్ సార్ మీరు కొంచెం ఎస్ రెడీ సే హలో క్లిక్ స్మైల్ Madam, please come. Let's study. Smile.
May God bless you both, families and relatives.